Presenting boAt Rockerz 550 over-ear wireless headphone. It is available in Maroon Maverick, Army Green, Black Symphony, Black and Red color variants. The box includes Rockerz 550, charging cable, user manual and a warranty card. It comes with 8.6 x 19.1 x 16.2 cm dimensions and weighs just 245 grams. This over-ear wireless headphone is ergonomically designed. It is plush, foldable, comfy, and has adjustable ear cups to meet the needs of music lovers. It comes with 50mm dynamic drivers that help supply immersive music experience all day long. It features dual set via